Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to distribute a meeting link within Microsoft Teams. This is a straightforward but vital skill for organizing and inviting coworkers or friends to your digital gatherings. Whether you are setting up a professional conference, a group study session, or a casual chat, knowing how to share these links is a key part of your workflow. To start, you must log into your Microsoft Teams account. If you do not have one, you can easily create an account using any valid email address. After signing in, you will land on the Teams homepage, which acts as a central hub for accessing all the platform's tools and features. Now, let's move to the calendar. You can find the calendar icon situated on the left side of the Teams interface. It looks like a standard calendar, making it very simple to identify. Click this icon to enter your personal calendar view, where all your scheduled events are listed. This step is important because the calendar holds all the specific details for your meetings and allows you to select the one you wish to share. Once you are in the calendar, take a moment to find the specific meeting you are looking for. Each event is shown as an individual entry on the grid. If you have a crowded schedule, feel free to use the search bar or scroll through the dates to find the right one. This is a very helpful way to navigate when managing multiple appointments. Once you have found the meeting, click on it to open the detailed information window. In this view, you will see all the relevant data for that session. To share the link with others, look for the copy icon, which is represented by two overlapping squares. This button is the easiest way to distribute your meeting info. Click it to save the invite link directly to your clipboard. Now that you have the link, you can paste it into an email, a chat, or even a different calendar platform. Just right-click and choose Paste, or use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac to insert the link into your message. By following these instructions, you can quickly share your Microsoft Teams links. Improving your navigation of these tools will make your communication much more efficient. Practice these steps until they become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.